Kamiti ya mbunge ĩgiĩ banjeti yugĩte mendekithia ma banjeti ya ihinda ya mwaka wa 2024-2025 ĩrĩ igũrũ makĩria, na ningĩ ndĩkĩrĩire maũndũ ma tabarĩra cia ũthii wa na mbere kũrĩ Akenya. Kamiti ĩno ĩhinyĩrĩirie gũtarĩrio gĩtũmi gĩa thirikari gũcagũra kuoya ngombo nja wa bũrũri o rĩrĩa kũrĩ na mweke wa kuoya ngombo icio gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ.
There is a steady decrease in donor funding, what we are calling grants. You know, grants can lift the country very fast because we don't pay, unlike financing. And therefore, what could be the problem? Since 2022-23, there has never been a steady increase in grants, in allocation in terms of grants.
Kamiti ĩno yonanĩtie kwaga kũiganĩra na ũrĩa rũhonge rwa ũgitĩri wa thĩinĩ rũthukĩirwo ciringi birioni 35.9 o rĩrĩa tabarĩra ingĩ cia ũthii wa na mbere inyihĩirio kĩgĩna.
We have cut where Kenyans are in terms of 11 billion of roads, but where has the money gone to? If you check, what majority of it is in jargons. When you see security operations, then your mind comes to a halt. I don't want to interrogate more. But if you interrogate further, maybe there are more answers to the answers we already know. So we must, as a country, spend money where the people are, other than channeling money in the management of politics.
Hamwe noguo ambunge aya moigĩte kũrĩ na ũhotekeku wa tabarĩra cia ũthii wa na mbere kwaga gũkinyanĩra kumana na ũnyihu wa mbeca.
Why would the government spend 1.5 billion shillings to buy tear gas? Because when you write their police operations, it is just simply buying tear gas. So yet we reduce budget of roads by 11 billion Kenya shillings, which is a development project.
Kamiti ĩno ĩrĩa ĩtongoragio nĩ Samuel Atandi ĩtanyĩtwo gũcokereria mũthenya wa rũciũ kũrĩa ĩkarĩrĩria tabarĩra cia ũthii wa na mbere iria thirikari ĩigĩte mũhari-inĩ wa mbere.
Is there an element of Kenya not meeting conditionalities that then we don't want to face some of these lenders? That because Kenyans will not ask us any question when they are buying bonds and T-bills, then it's a safe haven for those who are going to borrow money, because cheap money, which is better for the economy, has conditions which are good for the economy, yes, but may not be very good for the politics.
Handũ-inĩ ha Kameme TV, rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Wambui wa Njũgũna.